Welcome back, entrepreneurs. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of starting your own business in the great state of Maryland. Specifically, we'll explore why starting an LLC is a fantastic choice and guide you step by step on how to get an EIN, or Employer Identification Number, for your new venture. So, let's get started. Why should anyone consider starting an LLC in Maryland, you ask? Well, there are several compelling reasons. First and foremost, forming an LLC provides personal liability protection. This means that your personal assets, such as your home or savings, are separate from your business's liabilities. So, if your LLC faces financial difficulties or legal issues, your personal assets remain shielded. Additionally, starting an LLC offers flexibility in terms of management and taxation. Unlike a corporation, which has a more rigid structure, an LLC allows for greater flexibility in managing the business. You can choose to have a single-member LLC, where you're the sole owner, or a multi-member LLC, where you can have partners or investors. Plus, an LLC can enjoy pass-through taxation, meaning the profits and losses pass through to the owner's personal tax returns, avoiding double taxation. Now that you understand the benefits, let's dive into the step-by-step process of starting an LLC and obtaining an EIN in Maryland. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Choose a name. The first step is to select a unique name for your LLC. Make sure it complies with Maryland's naming requirements and isn't already in use by another business. You can check the availability of your desired name on the Maryland Secretary of State's website. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. Every LLC in Maryland must have a registered agent, which is a person or business responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of the LLC. This ensures that important communications reach the right people. You can appoint yourself as the registered agent or hire a professional registered agent service. Step 3. File Articles of Organization. To officially form your LLC, you need to file Articles of Organization with the Maryland Department of Assessments and Taxation. This document includes essential information about your business, such as the name, address, purpose, and the duration of your LLC. You can file online or by mail, along with the required filing fee. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. While not legally required in Maryland, creating an operating agreement is highly recommended. This document outlines the ownership and operating procedures of your LLC, including the roles and responsibilities of the members, how profits and losses will be distributed, and how the LLC will be managed. Congratulations! You've successfully formed your LLC in Maryland. Now, let's move on to obtaining an EIN, which is necessary for various business activities such as hiring employees or opening a business bank account. Step 5. Apply for an EIN. To get an EIN, you'll need to complete an application with the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. You can do this online through the IRS website or by mail. The application will require information about your LLC, such as its name, address, and the responsible party's Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Step 6. Understand Maryland tax obligations. As a business owner in Maryland, it's important to be aware of your tax obligations. Familiarize yourself with state taxes, such as sales tax, income tax, and any specific industry-related taxes that may apply to your LLC. Ensure that you comply with all tax requirements absolutely. Understanding and complying with tax obligations is crucial for the success of your LLC in Maryland. Let's continue with the step-by-step guide. Step 7. Obtain business licenses and permits. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need to obtain specific licenses or permits to operate legally in Maryland. Visit the Maryland Business License Information System, BLIS, website or consult with the appropriate state and local agencies to determine the licenses and permits required for your LLC. Step 8. Register for state taxes in Maryland. You will likely need to register for state taxes, such as sales and use tax, employer withholding tax, and unemployment insurance tax. Visit the Comptroller of Maryland's website to register and learn more about your tax obligations as an employer and business owner. Step 9. Comply with employer responsibilities. If your LLC plans to hire employees, it's crucial to understand and fulfill your employer responsibilities. This includes obtaining workers' compensation insurance, registering for unemployment insurance, and verifying the employment eligibility of your employees through the federal E-Verify system. Step 10. Maintain ongoing compliance. Once your LLC is up and running, it's important to maintain ongoing compliance with state regulations. This includes filing annual reports with the Maryland Department of Assessments and Taxation, keeping accurate financial records, and fulfilling any other reporting requirements specific to your industry. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the process of starting an LLC and obtaining an EIN in Maryland. Remember, starting your own business is an exciting journey, but it also requires dedication and ongoing commitment. Ensure you stay informed about changes in regulations, consult with professionals when needed, and nurture your entrepreneurial spirit. We hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful and informative. Remember, with careful planning and the right resources, you can turn your business dreams into a reality. Best of luck on your entrepreneurial journey. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.